Hey babes, today I'm going to show you how to do this super fun snowflake French tip using the new Makartt X Gabby Angelique gel liners in the color Classic. First, I'm going to paint the top of the French with our colored gel in nude pink. I'm not going to go over the entire nail like I usually do when I do traditional French nails. Rather, I'm just going to paint about halfway, a little over my natural nails. And I don't have to be super exact because I'm going to take a cleanup brush dipped in some acetone and actually make the French of the French base. This method is super easy and doesn't require me to be super exact, and I can still get a really good French shape. I'm going to do the exact same with the second layer after I cure my first coat under an LED lamp and clean up again with some more acetone. As you can see, whenever I mess up, the acetone will wipe the gel polish away and I can shape it the way I want, even if I don't have super steady hands. Now, using the gel liner in the color Classic, which is a super bright white, I'm going to draw in an outline where it usually is a French tip. I start with a smile line around the nude pink shade, which I can clean up again with some acetone if I do mess up. This gel liner from the Makartt X Gabby Angelique collection is so saturated, and it has a built-in liner brush, which makes drawing lines super easy. And the gel liner formula also holds the shape really well, so my lines don't collapse. This outline should be pretty thin and will give you that really cute French tip look. Tip here, I actually cure between each section after I draw my lines. This is so that if I mess up one part, I can just wipe it away with acetone without ruining the other parts that I had already done. I'm now drawing the base of the snowflake. I start with a big cross in the middle of the empty space, and then I make it look almost like an asterisk. Once I'm done with this section, I cure it in my lamp for 30 seconds to kind of save my artwork, and then I come back and add in a little bit of like these outward V's that will make it look like a snowflake. And then I just keep adding these tiny little V's until I've pretty much filled up the majority of the space. And then any awkward space that I still may have, I just draw little dots to kind of look like snow and decorate out the rest of my nail. Once I'm pretty happy with how everything looks, I'm going to take a glossy top coat from Makartt and just seal everything in. I do actually end up doing two coats. I think it just makes like the clear part of the nails look super, super shiny so that it almost looks like glass. And that's all you have to do. Easy snowflake glass nails. They're so cute.